What is the difference between a great person to a low person? A great person, according to the Torah, is a person who always hides his skills, his knowledge, his level, trying to be as humble as possible. As God ordered us in the Torah, not to be proud, always to be down to earth, as Abraham was, King David, and other legendary rabbis in history. A person that is very low, which means not intelligent, doesn't have knowledge, what we call in Hebrew, bur va'am haaretz, the less he has, the more he tries to gain attention. By making noise, by pretending he knows, by taking credit for others people's knowledge and wisdom. And that's what the Gemara says, Istera belagina kishkarya. That's in Aramaic translation. One coin in a donation box makes a lot of noise, even though it's only 1 penny. It's so much noise. When it's full of money, it does not make any noise. It's very interesting. People are trying to pretend that they are what they are not. They're always busy. How will I make my show off? How will I gain more respect? How more people will respect me and bow down to me? How are we able to be famous everywhere I go? And how do I get attention with my clothing and my etc., etc.? Exactly the opposite of what God ordered us. What did he say? Even when you make your commandments, your mitzvot, be down to earth. Hide it. Don't be a big shot. Don't try to get attention to pretend you're righteous more than what you are. Whatever you do, do it for me, not for the people to think that you're holy or to give you some kind of a job being a famous rabbi, what we call a Baba today. And it's very interesting, you know, because I have a story for you about this subject that we're speaking about. Used to be a very famous singer, Jewish singer. His name was Yosef Schmidt. He died in a prisoner camp in Switzerland. Before the Holocaust started, already there was problems over there. They put him in a special camp, and he didn't make it. And I believe it was in 1942 or 1943, in those years, in the 40s. What was famous about him? What's the story with him? He was an amazing singer. He sings opera. He was a chazan, a cantor. Everywhere he sang is breathtaking. People couldn't believe how great he's a singer. The problem was that he was a very short man, and his presentation wasn't accurate for all these audiences that he was supposed to sing in front of them. So these managers came up with an idea that he will sing behind the scene with a microphone, and they take a nice, tall, handsome Gentile to be in the front, and they build the character on that guy, on that Gentile, like he's the singer. So everything was a show-off. He's standing on a stage, he's pretending that he's singing, and the little Jew is standing in the back and singing, and everybody clap, and people shouting. And this guy became very famous, and everybody knows, wow, it's the best singer in Europe. This has been going on for years. Yosef Schmidt is doing the job, and this guy is getting the credit. Until one time in the middle of a concert, he just couldn't take it anymore. In the middle of the song, he started to scream, "That's it. I can't take it anymore. I do everything and I get nothing." And he gets started to scream in a microphone, and the guy is still pretending he's singing for a few more seconds. And everybody realized what's going on. They started to boo him and throw things at him. And everybody found out who was the real singer. But by the time he was discovered, it was already too late. Briefly after that, he was put in a camp with all the tragedies that happened to our nation. And the end of him was death over there. This is what this world is all about. The world is a stage, and everyone is, in a way, is an actor. And people are busy all day and all night acting, putting their shows. When I go to friends in publics, in a wedding, people pretending and imitating one another. And the most important thing that they forget that all this show off, all these lies, all this fake lifestyle, eventually a person will stand in front of God in a court of heaven and all the lies will come up. And everybody will know what a hypocrite, what a liar, what a loser, what a faker, and where are we going to hide? That's the question. Thank you very much.